Prepare whole potatoes for French fries in seconds with this choice French fry and potato cutter. The cutter is available in 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 6 wedge, and 8 wedge sizes for a whole range of French fry types. The blade assemblies are easy to change out whenever you need a different cut size. This French fry cutter's durable cast iron body is coated to make it rust resistant and easy to clean so it'll last you for years. Just place a whole potato in the cutter's V-shaped trough and firmly push the handle down to instantly turn a potato into French fries. It couldn't be easier. Each of this French fry cutter's 4 legs has pre-drilled holes so the cutter can be mounted into a wall or countertop for convenience and stability. The cutter is easy to take apart so that it can be hand washed and sanitized. Save hours of time and effort in the kitchen with this choice fry cutter to provide your guests with the perfect French fries.